عن أمير المؤمنين أبي حفص عمر بن الخطاب رضي الله عنه قال: سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول: إنما الأعمال بالنيات وإنما لكل امرئ ما نوى، فمن كانت هجرته إلى الله ورسوله فهجرته إلى الله ورسوله، ومن كانت هجرته لدنيا يصيبها أو امرأة ينكحها فهجرته إلى ما هاجر إليه. It is narrated on the authority of Amirul Mu'minin, Abu Hafs Umar bin al-Khattab, who said, I heard the Messenger of Allah say, actions are judged by motives, niyyah, so each man will have what he intended. Thus, he whose migration, hijrah, was to Allah and His Messenger, his migration is to Allah and His Messenger. But he whose migration was for some worldly thing he might gain, or for a wife he might marry, his migration is to that for which he migrated. Bukhari and Muslim.